Hi there, students. To acknowledge, and is a verb, and the noun acknowledgement. Okay, so to acknowledge something, to admit that something is true, to admit that something is a fact, yeah, to recognize the truth of something. So I acknowledge that I was wrong yesterday. I admit the fact. Okay, to acknowledge, to recognize a particular quality. Yeah, to admit the claims of authority, to give recognition to something. Okay, so to recognize that it's true. Yeah, she acknowledged that she had been at fault. Yeah, she is an acknowledged genius. Everybody says that she's a genius. Okay, you could acknowledge payment. They send you an acknowledgement. That is your receipt. Yeah, it's an official thing to say that to admit or to guarantee that you have paid. Yeah. When he sent me the forms, I acknowledged receiving them. To acknowledge, to accept something is true, to accept something exists. Yeah, so he's the de facto leader of the group. He's the acknowledged leader of the group. Okay, and this is the idea of to acknowledge, to admit the existence of something, or to recognize the importance of it. Yeah, to accept the legitimacy of it. So the government acknowledged that there was a problem in this. Yeah, it was, they legitimately recognized it. You could acknowledge somebody as your heir, as the person who's going to inherit from you. So to recognize, to accept, to approve. Yeah. Okay, so he refused to acknowledge the fact that I had gone into the room. He refused to make any sign to me. So this is the idea of to acknowledge. Formality, to acknowledge. I guess I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, maybe 5.5. Use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, and let's see, it comes from the Middle English word aknoen, to recognize, to acknowledge. Yeah, from kwan, to know something is true. Okay, so to acknowledge, to recognize as true, to recognize as a fact, to admit to something, to guarantee that it's true, to say this is your position. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To acknowledge.